over my education. When I take ownership of my education, I take ownership over my life. Clap yourselves up, you made it. I'm Mr. Cage, I love you all. We got an after school program taking place August 16th in Lockport at Shiloh, helping young people navigate through the social and emotional roadblocks that they experience throughout school, also helping them track their progress and helping them with homework. All right, so let me award my winners. Tell me your name again, first and last name.
Jaden Jackson.
JJ. This is for JJ. Clap JJ up, please. All right, you proud? You happy? You got any words you want to say? How did you make it to this point? What did you have to do? You don't know. He had to show courage. He had to show initiative and confidence in himself. Who was my other winner? Come on, ma'am. Come on, queen. What you got? Corinne. Thank you. Thank you, Nisa. Clap her up, please. You got any words you want to share? No? All right, we appreciate y'all. Back to your regularly scheduled program.